What the haters talking about?
What's up, family? Brittany Renner has made the news a lot lately following her nasty split with her baby's father, NBA player PJ Washington. Brittany has been accused of finessing PJ, who is 6 years her junior. PJ claimed that Brittany wouldn't allow him to see his child. So this played out publicly. Very, very nasty. They just put their business all out in the streets. Reportedly, there's been some form of resolution. Now Brittany has re-upped on controversial publicity. She recently posted a picture of herself on the campus of Jackson State University, her alma mater. This is where she reportedly played volleyball and was named the SWAC 2010 Freshman of the Year. So Brittany's a baller in her own right. People was hot at her about the caption that was included in the picture. She said, "Jackson State, hide your sons." Many people saw that as a dig at taking advantage or trying to take advantage of more young ball players, right? So here's the thing, fam. How do you feel about that? Do you believe that she's like targeting these guys to take advantage of them, or she's just trying to just have some fun? What if it was a dude? What if it had been a dude? What if it was a 29? She's 29. What if it was a 29-year-old dude who went to a college and said, "Jackson State, hide your daughters." And he had been accused of finessing a younger girl at a college before. Would that be okay? Now, here's the thing, fam. College ain't high school. These are grown people. Might be anywhere from the age of 16 to 90. It seems to me that a lot of people are thinking that she's not looking for the 30, 40-year-old college students. She wants them young and ripe. Do you see a problem? Now, here's what I think, fam. I think that Brittany's reputation precedes her. And any dude that messes with her, he deserves whatever he gets. He's doing grown folks things. He's in college. He's doing everything that grown folks do, pretty much. Coming and going when he wants to, cussing if he wants to, having sex when he wants to. Probably doing everything except paying his own tuition. But everything else he's probably doing on his own. So, if that's the case, and he makes a conscious decision to date a chick, no matter what people may think of her, shouldn't that be on him? I really don't have any type of empathy for these type of dudes. If you know that a person has a reputation and you make the conscious decision to date that person anyway, to deal with that person in any capacity, you get what you get. I feel nothing. But what say you, fam? What say you? What if one of those youngsters was your son? Would you feel any type of different way about it? I ain't gonna lie, fam. If it was my son, I'd bust it up. I already know where that's going. So I'm going to bust it up. The thing about love is that love is blind, but love don't love anybody. Love don't love, well, they say love don't love nobody. That's the way they say it. Love don't love nobody. So, because that's the way things go, sometimes you need to kind of step in and shake a person and get them back on the right street. But as far as the statement alone, I think that if she didn't have a reputation for taking advantage of dudes, younger dudes, then I don't think people would be making so much of a big deal out of it. I think it would just be like, one of those statements that's, if she would have just said, hide your sons, Jackson State, hide your sons, people would have kind of like blew the statement off. But because she has a reputation for taking advantage of younger dudes, then this is why so many people are up in arms. But what say you, fam? Brittany Renner, a nice, wholesome, beautiful girl out to have a little fun, or an evil witch? Drop a comment. No more talk.
What the haters talking about?